So how to use this AI tool to write perfect cold emails and get more sales by sending emails, okay? And in this video, I'm gonna help you fire your expensive copywriters by showing you exactly how I use this AI tool to write all my email copywritings, okay? And before we dive in, my name is Daniel Cho. I'm a father, husband, online entrepreneur. And on this channel, I share with my audience all the strategies that I'm using in my business to make multiple seven figures online. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow my channel so you don't miss out any of my future training videos. Let's get started. And before I show you the actual training, exactly how I use this AI tool, I also want to let you know, okay, based on the training you're gonna learn today, not only you can write emails to your own email list, you can also use this AI tool to provide copywriting service to your local businesses. Okay, I have students who are doing this, right, using this software to provide services to local businesses and making over $10,000 per month. Okay, if you want to learn how to do this, I also want to give you this entire course to teach you how you can offer services to your local businesses and also make money from doing that. Okay, I'll put a link in the video description down below. Okay, once you click on that, then it will show you exactly how you can get this course, Freedom University, for free as a bonus. Okay, so check it out. Now, today I want to talk about this software called Funnel Freedom. So Funnel Freedom is a funnel building software, is an email autoresponder, is an AI chatbot. Okay, many features inside this software. I'm using this software to run my multiple seven-figure online business. And today in this training, I want to show you this feature called Freedom AI. Okay, Freedom AI. You can see it right here. Using Freedom AI, you can do a lot of tasks, right, at a high level, like a seven-figure marketers. Okay, so here, let me quickly walk you through. You can use Freedom AI to write emails, which is the subject we want to talk about today. Okay, you can generate viral hook for your video content. You can also have lead magnet ideal generator, perfect lead magnet landing page generator, two-step post generator, right? If you are doing like social media marketing, you need to make a CTA post, right? Call to action post, which is also we refer to as two-step post. You can use this software to write all your posts. Instagram script writer, tangible outcome finder, sales objection analyzer, target audience analyzer, right? A lot of good stuff. I want to show you this feature, how we write emails. So I'm going to use this feature, okay? It's called email writer, current event, then pivot to CTA. Okay, so basically the concept is this, the framework is this. Okay, when you send your daily emails to your email list, I like to start with talking about a boring life moment that all my email readers, they can feel relatable, they can feel relate to. Okay, you got to make people feel relatable to your story in order for them to be willing to know you, like you, trust you, and buy stuff from you. So the best copywriting is always including some kind of story in that copywriting. So this feature help me achieve that, okay, without spending hours trying to figure out by myself, without hiring expensive copywriters, right? Without using chat GPT to come up with mediocre content, because in this software it has installed many 7, 8, even 9-figure marketers framework, their frameworks. So let me show you. This is the email writer, current events plus pivot to CTA. So the offer I want to sell is actually a training video I put out. Okay, so let me show you. So me and my partner Nathan, right? Basically, we want to get people to visit this training page so they can watch our video. Then at the end, we want to sell them our product, our offer. But we want them to go through this training first. So this is what we are selling, okay? This training video in today's email. So all I need to do is very simple. I pick a live boring moment that everybody can feel relatable to, right? For example, forgetting your wallet at home and realizing it at the gas station, right? Boring life story. But how can we do a transition to use this story to sell our digital course? Call to action. I want them to click on the link to watch the secret training. We only send this training to our email list. It's not to the public yet. Details on the offer you are promoting in this email. So basically, I just copy and paste the title from this landing page. The exact copy and paste method we are using to make $1,000 or more a day, and how you can attract take my money now clients. Then I hit submit. Boom. Let's see the results that we are getting. Okay. Suggested subject line. You have multiple options that you can pick and choose. Ever have that sinking feeling at the pump, right? When you write emails, you got to make your subject line pick up people's curiosity. Okay. So they have to click on it, they have to open it and actually read your emails. So this AI software show you exactly how to do that without you pretty much lifting any finger. Now, email, let's check out the email, okay, the quality of email. So there I was pulling up to pump number 4 with my gas light blinking. You know that moment when you reach for your wallet and suddenly your stomach drops? Yeah, that was me this morning. Empty tank, no wallet, zero cash. When you can do storytelling like this, you immediately pull your audience in, okay? Because they feel relatable. They may have the same experience, right? Like your story, okay? I did that frantic pattern we all do, checking every pocket twice, digging through the center console, even looking under the seats. Because maybe, just maybe, my wallet learned to teleport. Standing there at the pump, I had 2 choices, panic or pivot. That's when it hit me. This is exactly what happens to so many entrepreneurs. We get caught in those moments where everything seems to be going wrong, where we feel stuck and embarrassed. But here's the thing, just like I found the solution, thank goodness for phone payment apps. There is always a way forward in business. Sometimes we just need the right system in place. You see how the software helped me to do the transition, right? Story, do a transition, then link that to your offer, okay? Just like I found the solution, okay? We read that already. Speaking of systems, I've got something that could be a total game changer for you. It's the exact method we use to generate $1,000 or more daily income streams. No wallet required. Click here to watch the secret training exclusively for our email family. This isn't just another how-to. It's a complete blueprint for attracting clients who are ready to invest in your services. No more running on empty. No more scrambling for solutions. Just clear, actionable steps to predictable income. Click here to watch now before this training goes away to your success. Then I put my signature. P.S. Like my gas station situation, sometimes the best opportunities come from unexpected places. Don't let this one pass you by. Watch the training here. Boom! Right? This kind of copywriting, that's how I make money, from my email list without hiring expensive copywriters. If you want to learn how to do this, right? I put the complete course down below. Click on the link, check it out. Then you can see how it will look like for you when you know how to use this AI tool. Okay, until then, make sure you follow my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Then I'll see you in my next training videos. Let's go.